A new friend for street explorers, the name TRANSALP has been born since the development of the first model, the XL650V in 1986. TRANSALP means crossing high mountains like the Alps in Europe. With the spirit of all-rounder adventure touring bike, this model provides a comfortable ride, not only when crossing the highway but in facing various situations such as mountain trails to unpaved roads. Now, Astra Honda Motor presents the new XL750 TRANSALP, which is ready to accompany exploration throughout Indonesia. Equipped with a 750cc engine, the new XL750 TRANSALP is capable of producing abundant power and is easy to control to provide comfort to explore Indonesia.
Mountains are calling.